So this is going to be your almost personal reading, all signs collective. Okay, from now until the next 72 hours. Okay, so all that I need to know about your person, regarded you guys are in a soulmate or a twin flame connection. This is a reading for those who are in a connection that is goes up and down. This is not for people who are in a very good connection or a very romantic one. Okay. So right now, overall, we have is the Knight of Pentacles, which speaks about you feeling stagnant or you feeling like this shit isn't going anywhere. Okay, bottom card, yes, you did take a leap of faith elsewhere, but I see you guys finding your way back towards your person. Okay, that is your actual person. You guys could have been trying to move in a different direction, but you were not that successful. Okay, it's fine. Sometimes that shit happens, right? In terms of what's coming your way, okay, we have some angry bitch coming your way, which speaks about some partner who could accuse you of something that you have never done. Like, you could be the one who's been ghosted, but your person might accuse you of, that you haven't been giving attention, this and that, blah blah. Okay, but I do see someone who's a little upset on you coming towards you. In terms of what to expect, this person does consider you someone who they look up to, regardless of what the situation has been like. You know that this person does care about you. Okay, even if they, some of them put you into a third party, or they've already married and they never told you that shit, they kept you into a third party. Regardless of whatever it is, I see a person trying to have a good connection with you. It might not be in terms of a commitment, it might just be like, let's be on good terms together. Okay, top card we have is King of Cups. This person might show compassion out of nowhere, and they might start behaving like you matter to them out of nowhere. All this while you've been having that feeling like this person has taken me for granted, and out of nowhere this person suddenly starts taking you seriously. They start caring for you, they start showing you that you do matter in my life. And out of nowhere they'll behave with you, and they'll be respectful towards you. Okay, in terms of yeah, we have with wheel of fortune, many things have changed in their life, which has forced them to be acting this way. I'm getting a clear cut message lately. I'm not a psychic necessarily, but I do get certain messages that something in your life will change for the good. That is, if you guys were part of a third party, it's either going to completely dissolve and you're going to be back together, or the person will give you the necessary closure to move forward. Okay, either A or B. Like, it's not going to keep you in like in the middle forever. If it's either going to go towards your side, or it's going to go away, but it's going to give you that closure for certain. Okay, in terms of your soulmate energy, we have the High Priestess. So you both have been ghosting each other for some time now. Even if you guys are on talking terms, you guys do not really know or necessarily know what's happening in each other's life. You could be hiding your shit and they could be hiding their shit. Both are kind of possibly mirroring each other. Okay. Top card we have is King of Pentacles. I also see you guys being extremely focused on your finances, which is very good. But it could also be about, if this connection cannot give me commitment, why the fuck should I even bother about it, right? So that could be your mindset. In terms of your soulmate, what's their energy like? We have Five of Pentacles. Please clarify how thinking about you now. This person feels ghosted by you. Okay, and they want your attention. So just like I told you, some angry bitch is coming towards you. This is the person. Okay, we have the Sun, which is them wanting your attention. Five of Pentacles, them feeling like you're neglecting them. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings towards you, we have Five of Cups, which is them missing you a lot. Okay, in terms of their heart space, Heart space, we have three of cups. For many of you, this person could have friend zoned you in the past, and you did not like that. Who likes being friend zoned, like, right? But but whatever it is, you were a very good friend, a very close one, and they messed up. Yeah, they messed up. They do regret it. Okay, they neglected you, they resisted you, they pushed you away, and now when they know that you're going away, they can't see it. Okay, they want to be back, they want to be in contact, they want to be on good terms. So with three of cups, this person very much wants to meet you, if not possible physically, then virtually or through messages. Okay, one more card in terms of their headspace right now. Headspace, we have three of swords. They're fucking heartbroken, man. I mean, morning, evening, night, they just think that this shit is breaking my heart, this connection is breaking my heart. They took something for granted that they thought wouldn't necessarily affect them, but mind you, it's affecting them a lot. This separation or this silence or this feeling that they are losing you. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you now, intention towards you is the star card, which speaks about them wanting to possibly fix things, them wanting to let go of the past issues, possibly finding the common ground with you, wanting to heal the connection. In terms of their action, King of Wands. Even if you're resisting them, they'll be the one initiating it. They'll be the one who makes the first move or wants to come forward, starts putting in that effort. You would definitely notice a change. Okay, in terms of what to expect. With Six of Pentacles, I definitely see this person trying to balance the connection out with you. With Two of Wands, they're definitely looking forward to you. But the problem is, darling, this person is coming back with baggage. Okay, mind you on that. This person has gone through something in their life which they might not necessarily want to accept or want to open up about, but they feel in a certain way and they do want you. Now many of you guys would be like, I'm not a fucking doormat, I'm not someone who is going to make someone feel better for whatever shit that they have gone through. But sometimes when we go through shit, someone who we are close to or someone who we hold dear is the one we need the most, right? So that might be the case. Okay, but your person is sad that you are not around them, but mind you, they're coming back with baggage. They won't come in clean for sure. They'll be telling you something that kinds of makes you feel in a certain way. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you. Two of cups, we have the four and two of cups, which speaks about them wanting to wanting you to take them seriously. Stop fucking neglecting me. That's the message I'm getting clear cut. Okay, stop neglecting me. Okay, so in terms of what can you expect from this person in the next 72 hours. We have Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so we have this person is definitely going to wait, but they'll be initiating it. They'll try to see if you reach out. They'll put up something that gets your attention, maybe a picture, maybe a very seducing one. Good for you, man. But I see that they will wait for your reaction, but if you do not react at all, I do see them reaching out. But yes, they are watching you. Okay, in terms of what's happening in their personal life, they've been focused on themselves. They've been trying to grow, like overall as a person, financially. Okay, with Six of Cups, I see them missing you a lot. Okay, even if you guys are in talking terms, they just miss you. They are fearful of losing you, man. Okay, and yeah, let's take love messages. We have a straight one. In the near future is the message. Have faith in the changes that you are guided to make. In the future is one message. Have faith in the changes you are guided to make. Last message. I'll pull a few, man. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Cheesy, right? Whatever. The things are being aligned to get you what you want. So I believe for many of you, the third party, if it was karmic, that shit is ending. Okay, I think other readers might also be telling you the same. I've not been watching tarot a lot, but I think that they might be saying the same thing. I try to stay away, but I can't. But they were trying to stay away, but they could not. Okay, so one last card for the next 72 hours where things are going at. Eight of Pentacles, they'll put in the effort, and with Four of Wands, for many of you guys, you'll be able to meet them either virtually or physically. But yes, it's bloody possible. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. All that you need to know about your soulmate, twin flame, where things are at. If it resonated, you only got to do one thing, that is like the damn video. Okay, thank you for all your support so far. I've been getting more likes, and that is something that makes me feel good. Okay, and all those who want a personal reading, please do reach out on the website and book one for yourself. I've got slots there, a few slots, but yes, if you guys are wanting one, then book one sooner. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. All those who want something like this, I have a new option available, that is love messages. I think it's up for like 15 or $18, just this messages and a couple of tarot cards in terms of feelings. Okay, so if you want one, book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.